Hey everybody, as you can see, Lori's leading the way in case there could be wild animals to attack us, right honey? See? She's showing you the power. She's got the power. She's got woman power. So that's it. We're on our way down. This is going to cut in and out, everybody. But we're on our way down to the beach to do a sand scrub. I'm going to set up the video and I'm going to show you how to do a sand scrub in Australia at Nambucca Heads. And we're going to be doing a sand scrub down there. And I'm telling you something, a sand scrub on the ocean is one of the most beautiful things that you'll ever do. And look at this. You want to see a view that's just a knockout? Okay. All right. Is that easy to take? Oh, guess what? Get your butt in gear and get over here. We have 2 spots left for the Whole Life Coach certification starting on Saturday, which runs for 9 days. And then we have the Wolf Non-Surgical, that's 12 days. And I guarantee you that if you want your money back, I'll give it to you on any of these courses. You come the first day, we'll blow your mind. We have the most powerful body work in the world. That's called Wolf Non-Surgical. And then that'll be for 12 days. And then there's a day off. And then we're doing the 3-day woman's pelvic course, which is nothing like it in the world. And that will be taught by Lorraine and Simran. And they're flying over from North America to teach that. Okay, so check it out at braveheartnation.com. But I mean, seriously, are we kidding? Are we kidding? So we're going to be walking down, and as long as I have internet, I want to show you the tallest flower that I've ever seen. Eh, honey?
Oh, it's amazing.
Isn't it amazing? How tall is it, babe? About 20 feet?
Massive, yeah.
Maybe 25 feet?
25.
Yeah, it hasn't bloomed yet, but you'll see there's color at the top. I don't know what it's called, but this is like the tallest flower I've ever seen in my life. The stem of it is about 3 inches thick, and it goes straight up, and it's about 20 to 25 feet high. Without exaggerating, I'm going to show you in a few minutes. Now, I was just talking to a friend of mine, and who I met, and his name is Philip, and he lives here in Australia. And you know what? I've just met such brilliant, beautiful people in Australia. You know, they have such a beautiful country and they have such an evil government. I'm serious. I mean, there's a lot of stuff going down in Australia. These people are so strong, and my heart goes out to all of them. And I mean that, okay? And you want to talk about a beautiful country. If you ever get to go to Australia, I mean, you can travel, and every couple of hours you've got a whole different terrain going on, but it is a magical wonder here. And I'm going to tell you something. I was talking to him and I said, Philip, look you know what? If you're not here to expand your consciousness, okay, and find a higher way of thinking, learning, and living, all right, you will be harvested. And he said, you know what, Daryl? That is just so right. And those people that wake up will be those people that wake up. And the majority of the population isn't going to wake up. That's what he said to me. And I said, I understand that. And I know it's true. Because if you take a look at the majority of the population, they don't think right, drink right, eat right. And I'm not telling you that they're stupid, because they're not. They just have really stupid beliefs that have been force-fed into them from the minute their beautiful little spirits entered the womb. And that's the truth. Okay, human beings, okay, have been programmed to bring their vibration down. We are very high vibrational, electromagnetic, light energy beings. Why do you think they feed us all this crap? Why do you think there's a corner store in every corner? That's why they call it a corner store. It's a corner cancer building. And you know that as well as I do. There's not one good thing in a corner store. Meanwhile, there's one on every corner. All right. And then we know right now that statistically, okay, in a grocery store, look at this, it's getting a little steep here, but in a grocery